Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and half a cup of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's create our waffle batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and baking powder. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Mix gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to cook those wonderful waffles. First, preheat your waffle iron to its medium or desired setting. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Finally, the best part, serving your delicious homemade waffles. For the ultimate experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. Drizzle with maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Reheat them in a toaster or oven for a quick and easy breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.